Are you looking for a safe, natural way to give your baby soft, glowing skin? In this video, I share how I make organic baby glowing skin oil at home using 100% natural palm kernel seed. This homemade baby oil is chemical free, gentle, affordable, and perfect for newborns and toddlers. Palm kernel oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, helping to keep baby skin soft and smooth, support healthy glowing skin, protect sensitive baby skin naturally, reduce dryness and irritation. This is ideal for moms who prefer organic, traditional and natural baby care remedies, especially for babies with sensitive skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to make the oil, we start by putting our frying pan on fire. Once the frying pan is heated, turn in your palm kernel seed. So this palm kernel seed is gotten from palm fruit. I usually used to buy palm fruit, banga, and make banga soup. You know, I'm from the northern part of Nigeria, married to a Niger Delta man, precisely Bayelsa State. So after extracting the juice, I use the juice to make soup. Then the seed, I dry it. Once I dry it, I break it. And after breaking the seed, I sun dry it before frying it. So you can see our oil is out. It has burnt. It has turned to charcoal. You see. So let's drain out the oil. So this palm kernel oil, it has a lot of health benefits, especially for children. Number one is it acts as an excellent natural emollient that locks in moisture, softens skin, and can treat scalp issues. Number two, it is traditionally used to manage cold symptoms, relieve stomach discomfort, and sometimes to treat, reduce, or prevent convulsion in infants. It also acts as hair development. It promotes hair thickness and strength, reducing hair falls, etc. To drain the oil, you can use iron filter if you have, but I don't have. So that is why I had to drain it gradually like this. And then you discard the seed because it has turned to charcoal. You cannot use it as no use. So I'm removing the ones that fall inside. So let's fry the second batch. I divided it into two because of the size of the frying pan. So let's fry the next set. Just follow the same process. You can see the second one too. The oil is out. We are going to be draining it too as well. So once you are done, you have drained the oil, we are going to be placing it under the sun. We drying this like for 7 days. As it dries, like it becomes lighter, the smell goes. In fact, you will not even perceive the burnt smell at all. Unlike the one you usually used to buy from the market, this one is different because the one in the market, they don't usually use to sun dry it. So when you place it under the sun, the smell goes off naturally and it becomes lighter. So let me show you how I use it on my baby's skin. So here is my baby tree button cream tube. It's good for diaper rash, heat rash, and other skin irritations. So I use it a lot. I use the palm kernel oil along with this. So while applying it on my baby skin, I put some oil on my palm and then press this baby tree button on my palm and mix it and apply it on the baby's skin. You can as well take out some and add the baby tree butter, mix it. Don't mix all the oil together with the baby tree butter. Just fetch a little that you can use maybe for a week or 2 weeks. Then you keep the remaining one in an airtight container. Then you can take the one that is not mixed and apply it on your baby hair. You can use it as hair oil. So for today, I would like to stop here. I'm still going to dry the oil because it's not properly dried. So if you have any question pertaining to this oil or concerning what I've just explained about the benefits of using palm kernel oil, let me hear it from the comment section. If this video inspire you, kindly share it so it can benefit others too. And if you like content like this, kindly subscribe so you don't miss content like this. See you in my next video. God bless you. One love, everyone.